Today we will discuss the exercise 9.1 of chapter 9 algebraic expressions. But before starting, I suggest that if you have any doubts in the basic concepts of algebra or addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions, then please watch this video. If you need some help regarding multiplication of polynomials or value of an expression, then click on this link. I will not solve each and every question of the exercise. I want you to try some of them yourself so that you know how much you have understood. So let's get started. In question 1, we have to identify the terms and find their coefficients. So as discussed earlier, the terms are separated by plus and minus signs. So this one has two terms, 5xyz square and minus 3zy. The coefficient of a term is the constant part. So the coefficient in the first part is 5 and that in the second is minus 3. Second one has three terms. Coefficient of 1 will be 1 itself because this is the constant part in the term. Such a term which does not contain any variable is called a constant term. Third one is 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square plus z square. So it has three terms. Coefficient of 4x square y square is 4. That of second one is minus 4 and coefficient of z square is 1 as the number in this term is 1. So now you can try the remaining three parts. Could you solve them? You can match the answers with these and drop a question if you don't understand any part. Now let's classify the following polynomials as monomial, binomial, etc. What are monomials? They are those expressions which have only one term. Binomials are those which have only two terms and trinomials have three terms. But note that these terms should not be like terms. So where will you put x plus y? Correct, it is a binomial. So take 3 minutes and categorize. Let's see what you have done. Very good. Children, note that 1000 is also a polynomial. A polynomial may not contain a variable. It's a monomial. Did you notice that x plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4 has 4 terms? And same is the case with ab plus bc plus cd plus da. So they do not fit in any of the above categories. In question 3, we have to add the given polynomials. We have discussed two methods of addition and subtraction, the column or the vertical method and the horizontal method. So children, you can use whichever you find easy. I am solving with both the methods for your convenience. So in vertical method, we will write the three expressions one below the other so that the like terms come one below the other. Then we add vertically. To add like terms, we have to add their coefficients. So I have arranged all the terms. And you can see that we get answer 0. As discussed in question 2, 0 is also a polynomial. So we always get a polynomial on adding two or more polynomials. In horizontal method, we write the polynomials one after the other with plus sign in between as we are adding. And you can observe that we again get the same answer. So can you try the second one with column method? I'll discuss the horizontal method in this case. I have written the polynomials one after the other with plus sign in between. Now you should look for like terms. And if you notice that two terms are exactly same but have opposite signs, then you can cancel them. What does this mean? Are we dividing? No. Cancelling here means that on adding these terms, the sum will become 0. That means nothing is left. So we can cancel minus b and b, minus c and c, and even a and minus a. Now if any like terms are left, add them. As you can see, all the remaining terms are unlike, so we will copy them down because they cannot be added. Why? Simple. 2 toffees plus 3 toffees is equal to 5 toffees. But is 2 toffees plus 3 pencils equal to 5 pencils? We cannot add them. Got the point? Now it's time to check yourself. Pause and take 5 minutes to solve the remaining parts, and then you can cross-check your answer. In question 4, we have to subtract. Subtraction is done in the same way. The only difference is that we have to change the signs of all the terms of the second expression. In column method, we will arrange the terms one below the other so that like terms come below like terms. Now we will change the signs of all the terms of the second expression and add the terms by looking at the second sign. So 12a minus 4a is equal to 8a. Similarly, we get minus 2ab plus 2b and minus 15. In the horizontal method, we will simply put the second one in a bracket because it has a minus sign before it, and on opening the bracket, all the signs inside the bracket will change. After this, we have to add the like terms and we again get the same answer. Now, can you try the next two parts? If you have completed, check the answers. If you have any queries, any step is not clear to you, please leave a comment. So with this, we come to the end of this session. If you have any question or you want a video on any particular topic, then please leave a comment in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Goodbye for now.